Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Risha Fatima from CID News Network, Islamabad. People all over the world are celebrating the New Year's Eve tonight. With new hopes and wishes, they are welcoming the year 2021. The government of Pakistan decided to cancel Nawaz Sharif's passport on February 16, 2021. The government removes Mufti Munib as the Ruwayat-e-Hilal chairman. Maulana Abdul Khabir Azad is the new chairman. 14 people got arrested for destroying the Hindu shrine in KP's Karak region. The first Israel-Morocco direct commercial flight landed in Rabat after the normalization deal between Jewish state and Arab countries. 26 killed, 60 injured in the blast that hits Yemen's Aden airport. Turkish and Russian troops will defend the rights of Azerbaijan, said Turkish Defense Minister. Turkey set to begin 4-day COVID-19 lockdown over the New Year's holiday. China approves first homegrown vaccine, which is set to be 79.3% effective and will be given to the frontline health workers in the first quarter of 2021. China detects first case of UK corona variant.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.